Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Mailchimp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new audience in your Mailchimp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to create another audience in Mailchimp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to run offers for completely unrelated fields. So you want to be sure to have a different audience for that group. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mailchimp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my test Mailchimp account, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to add another mail audience in Mailchimp, you do have to have the upgraded plan. As long as you have the upgraded plan, what you're going to do is here on the left side, you're going to click on audience. Once you do that, up here on the top right, click on more options, and then click on audience settings. Once you click on audience settings here on the top right, click on manage audiences. All right, once you do that, you can just have one audience here, and to create a new audience, you're going to click on this turquoise button here on the top right. As you can see, this is just a test account, so I am not able to add more than one audience. I can have just this one, but this is how you can add it. It says create audience. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering where to add a new audience in your Mailchimp, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.